I've been testing Seedance 2.5, and today I want to see how good it really is when you push it to the limit. I'm going to put it through 3 different tests: cinematic quality, character consistency, and long-form storytelling. And at the end, we'll compare the generation cost with other platforms to see how much value you're actually getting. So, let's start from the beginning. If you want to try it yourself, simply search for Loova AI. Luva is an all-in-one AI creative platform that brings different AI models and creative tools together in one place. And now, Seedance 2.5 is available directly on Luva. It supports video generation up to 30 seconds, multiple reference assets, and AI video editing. For my first test, I want to see how Seedance 2.5 handles a cinematic scene using just a single prompt. I've prepared 3 different tests in advance, and I'll start by copying the first prompt. I'll paste it into Seedance 2.5 on Luva and then hit Generate. The first thing I'm looking at here is the overall cinematic quality, the environment, lighting, motion, and camera movement. The camera movement and atmospheric lighting are what stand out to me the most. For the second test, I want to focus on something that's really important for AI storytelling: character consistency. I created 3 reference images of the same character from different angles. Now, I'm going to use these references and see if Seedance 2.5 can maintain the same character throughout the scene. Now, let's compare the generated character with the original references. The main things I'm checking here are the face, hairstyle, clothing, and overall identity as the camera changes. Now, I want to push it a little further. Instead of creating a single shot, I'm going to test a longer cinematic sequence with multiple events and camera movements. The goal here was to see how well Seedance 2.5 can maintain the same visual world while the story develops. Luva also comes with an AI video editor, and it gives you access to multiple AI models, all in one platform. For this test, I'll be using Seedance 2.5 to see what it can do. Now, let's test Luva's AI video editing capabilities. I already have this shot, and instead of regenerating the entire video, I want to add a new element while keeping the original scene intact. For this test, I'm going to add a realistic eagle flying above the man while keeping the original camera movement, character, and environment unchanged. And here's the edited version. Here's a quick before and after comparison. On the left is the original shot, and on the right is the edited version with the eagle added. Now, there's one more thing that matters a lot for AI creators: the cost. Because getting great results is important, but if every generation is expensive, it becomes much harder to experiment and create consistently. Here's how the current market pricing compares. Looking specifically at the effective cost per 15-second and 30-second generation, Luva offers a very competitive way to access Seedance 2.5. And when you're generating a large number of videos every month, even a small difference in cost per generation can add up quickly. So, after putting Seedance 2.5 through all 3 tests, here's my final take. For cinematic quality, Seedance 2.5 delivered impressive visuals, especially when it comes to lighting, environments, and camera movement. For character consistency, using multiple reference images gave me much more control over the character's appearance across different shots. And with longer generation, I was able to create a more complete sequence instead of relying on just a single shot. What I also like about using Luva is that you're not just getting the model itself. You have video generation, multiple AI models, reference workflows, and editing tools all in one place. And when you also consider the generation cost, Luva offers a very competitive way to access Seedance 2.5, especially if you're planning to generate a lot of content. So, if you're an AI creator looking for high-quality video generation while keeping your production costs under control, Luva is definitely worth checking out. If you want to try Seedance 2.5 on Luva, I'll leave my link at the top of the description. You can check out the current plans and pricing and see if it fits your workflow. And if you enjoyed this test, make sure to subscribe for more AI video experiments and tutorials.